And in today's video, we're taking a look at how to grow seeds inside of a plastic container like a Ziploc bag. Either if you buy your seeds or you get them directly from the fruit or get them as a gift, today we're going to see how to plant them. It's an easy process that anyone could do. And remember, you always want to verify your seeds information to see the best temperature that it needs, the best region where it grows, how tall will it grow, how much sunlight does it need before planting a seed. And all the used today, we're going to leave a link in the description. And here is our third method, and this is the easiest and simplest way to do it. As we learned in school when using the beans, it's pretty much the same method. We water the paper, place our seeds spaced apart, place our seeds inside of a plastic container like a Ziploc bag. In this one, we're using pepper seeds. Using this method would conserve the humidity a lot longer. And after this process, you want to place the seed in a place that's going to resemble the best temperature according to that seed's information. Once we start seeing the roots coming out the seed, we can go ahead and plant them in dirt. And now we just wait and let them grow. And remember, we always follow the same steps as before. We check them on a daily basis to verify they have enough water. Once we see the first green, we place them in sunlight, in a place or location where they're going to receive the much needed sunlight that they require to grow. If using grow lights, you want to use according to your grow lights manual. And most importantly, we follow the instructions in the packet or the ones that we Googled for that specific plant. With time, the plant outgrows the cup. You can always transfer it to a bigger container. This is our video in our gardening series. Stay tuned for our next videos where we go ahead and make plant food, also replant our baby plant to a bigger container. And don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.